Oh, I'm trying to speak in English, but all I say is thank you, sorry. It's okay. How do people sound so smooth and natural? Oh, Minnie, it is not about big words. It's about smart phrases. Do you want to sound smart and cool? Yes, please. I want to sound like I belong in a Netflix show. Then don't worry. Go grab your pen. I will be giving you 10 phrases today that will make you sound natural, friendly, and fluent. Hi everyone, welcome back to Thrive with Sushmita. So today we will be learning about 10 smart phrases which you can use in daily life and become smarter and fluent in English. So along with Minnie, I will be telling that to you too. So grab your pen. See, first phrase that I want to teach you is, what do you usually say when you meet someone? The first thing which comes out of your mouth is, how are you? How are you is very, very boring. So instead of saying, how are you? You can just ask, what have you been up to? What have you been up to? It's very personal, it's very light, and most importantly, it shows that you are actually interested in knowing what is happening. So instead of saying, how are you? Next time when you meet your friends, tell them, hey, long time no see. What have you been up to? Mostly scrolling Instagram. Next can be, whenever somebody tells you sorry or something like that, and how do you reply? Oh, that's okay. So instead of that's okay, try and replace it with no worries. So next time you meet someone and somebody says like, oh, I'm so sorry, I'm late. So instead of saying that's okay, replace it with no worries and see the magic. So in the third scenario, like suppose you don't know something, okay? Somebody asks you something and probably you don't know it. You can just say, I'm not sure off the top of my head. I'm not sure of the top of my head. I will check and get back to you. I will check and get back to you. Or you can just say, I will check and revert. So see how cool and fancy it sounds. I'm not sure off the top of my head. The next scenario, when you are hoping for something to be nice and good and according to the way you want, in that case, you can just say fingers crossed. Now, let me give you a scenario. You have an interview tomorrow, okay? Or maybe your friend has an interview tomorrow and he or she comes to you and says, I have an interview tomorrow, I'm slightly nervous. And you can very smartly reply that fingers crossed, you have got this. Fingers crossed, you have got this. Now, in a situation where, you really need to agree with someone's logic or explanation. Somebody has told you something and you probably agree to whatever they have said or whatever they have explained it to you. So in that case, just don't say, okay. Instead say, that makes sense. Let me put it in a sentence. Now that you have explained this to me, that makes complete sense to me. So see how nicely you have been able to express that, right, Minnie? Now there's a situation, and let me tell you, Minnie, this is my favorite one. So in case I am shopping, but I am not buying. Okay, so in case I am shopping but I am not buying, so in that case you can just say I am just browsing. So in case you are in a mall and the shopkeeper comes and tells you, can I help you? So instead of saying, oh, no, you can very, very smartly just say, no, thank you, I'm just browsing. See, that will make you sound so cool. In the next situation, use this when you are busy doing something. Suppose your friends call you up or somebody has called you. Hello? Yeah, hi. Can I call you back? I'm in the middle of something. So how nicely you can just say that, which shows that you're busy, but you're not offending someone. You're just letting them know that you are in the middle of something and you will definitely call back or revert or whatever it is. In the next situation, use this when you forget something. So in case you have forgotten something, instead of just saying, I'm sorry, you can say that, oh, it slipped my mind. It slipped my mind. Oops, I was supposed to bring the book today, but it slipped my mind. Happens all the time. Let's talk about the next situation, Minnie. So in the next situation, when you are not interested in something and you would really want to decline someone very, very politely. So in that case, you can just say, I'm really not into that. I'm really not into that. Suppose your friend or your relatives ask you, do you want to go skydiving? Do you want to go skydiving? You can just say, I don't think so. I'm not really into that. Right, Minnie? In the next scenario, when you meet someone and you are just ending the conversation. So this is used to end a very friendly conversation. So you can just say, oh, it was great meeting you. Let's catch up soon. So the next phrase that you really need to use is let's catch up soon. Of course, in case you really want to meet that person again. So you can just not say bye, but just say, yes, let's catch up soon. So Minnie, these were 10 smart phrases that I taught you. Now let me give you certain situations and you really need to tell me what will you be saying. Now suppose situation number 1. In the first situation, what will you say when your friend apologizes to you? No worries. Oh, that's correct. In the second situation, you forgot your friend's birthday. What will you say, Minnie? It slipped my mind. Correct, you're right. And in the third situation, you are shopping but you don't want help. What will you be saying? I would say I'm just browsing. Oh, that's correct, Minnie. You are becoming a daily English rock star and I'm so proud of you. So there you go. 10 phrases to make you sound smoother and smarter when you speak in English. Try and use them in your daily conversations and let me tell you, you will soon be sounding very, very fluent. Now I feel ready for a coffee shop convo. Let's catch up soon. Oh, you got that right, Minnie. We will definitely catch up soon. So yes, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and I will be meeting you in the next video with Minnie for some fun conversation and easy learning. Till then, keep smiling, keep shining and keep thriving with Sushmita. Thank you so much.